read the question. The question is, derive the expression for kinetic energy. Here we have to derive the mathematical formula of kinetic energy. We know that the kinetic energy of a body is given by kinetic energy of a kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 m v square. Here m is the mass of the body and v is the velocity of the body. Now before deriving the expression, let us consider a situation through which we will derive the expression. Let us consider a body at point A at rest and having mass m. Let small m be the mass of the body. Body at point A is at rest, so here its velocity is 0. Velocity of the body is 0. So at point A, its kinetic energy will be 0. Now a force F is applied on the body and the body moves to point B. The same body moves to point B, and from A to B it covers a distance of S. It covers a distance of S from A to B. Now when force is applied, the body gets accelerated and moves a distance of B. Now at point B we have to find out its final velocity. For finding the final velocity, we will use the relation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Here we know that its initial velocity is 0, so put it here. V square minus 0 is equal to 2as, and v square is equal to 2as, so its acceleration will be a is equal to v square by 2s. This is the acceleration of the body. Now we will find out the work done on the body in moving from point A to B. For work done, we know that work done is equal to work done is equal to force into displacement so force is F and displacement is the S. So we know that formula of force is mass into acceleration and S is the displacement. Substitute the value of A from equation number 1, we will get m into v square by 2s into s. S will cancel out with s, so we will get w is equal to 1 by 2 m v square, and this work done will be done at the cost of its kinetic energy. So kinetic energy of the body at point B will be equal to 1 by 2 m v square. So we will write it here as is equal to 1 by 2 m v square. So this was the expression for kinetic energy of the body. Thanks.